The graph of y equals f of x has the following features. F of 2 equals 2, the limit as x approaches 2 from the left equals 1, and the limit as x approaches 2 from the right equals 0. Which of the following might be a graph of y equals f of x? Well, first let's look at the clue f of 2 equals 2. So that is not the case in this first one because here, where x is 2, y is 0. So in this case, f of 2 is equal to 0. So that's not possible. That's not the right graph. Uh, in the second one, this is correct because this tells me that this point right here being at 2, 2, so we're saying f of 2 is equal to 2, so that's okay. In the next graph, this also has f of 2 at 2. So does this one. And so does the last one here. So that rules out one, but not all. Let's check out the next clue. So we have the limit as x approaches 2 from the left is equal to 1. So when we look at the limit from the left-hand side, we have to be approaching 1 on the y values. So that is the case here in the second graph, so that's good. For the next one, the limit as x approaches 2 from the left here is 0. So that's no good. This one gets ruled out. The limit as x approaches 2 from the left here is 1. So that checks out. So that one's still possible. And the limit as x approaches 2, the y values there are approaching 0 in this one. So that gets ruled out as well. So now we're just down to 2 possibilities. And the last clue is that the limit as x approaches 2 from the right has to be 0. Well, in this next one, the limit as x approaches 2 from the right is also 1. So that's no good. And here, as we approach 2 on the x, we're approaching 0 on the y. So that checks out. So this is our correct graph.